Eat. I eat an apple. Eat. I eat an apple. Drink. She drinks water. Drink. She drinks water. Go. We go to school. Go. We go to school. Come. He comes home at 5. Come. He comes home at 5. Run. They run every morning. Run. They run every morning. Walk. I walk to the park. Walk. I walk to the park. See. I see a bird. See. I see a bird. Look. Look at the cat. Look. Look at the cat. Watch. We watch TV at night. Watch. We watch TV at night. Read. She reads a book. Read. She reads a book. Write. I write my name. Write. I write my name. Speak. They speak English. Speak. They speak English. Listen. Listen to the teacher. Listen. Listen to the teacher. Hear. I hear music. Hear. I hear music. Sleep. He sleeps at 10 p.m. Sleep. He sleeps at 10 p.m. Wake. I wake up at 6 a.m. Wake. I wake up at 6 a.m. Get. I get a gift. Get. I get a gift. Give. She gives me a pencil. Give. She gives me a pencil. Take. Take this bag, please. Take. Take this bag, please. Play. We play soccer. Play. We play soccer. Sing. I sing a song. Sing. I sing a song. Dance. They dance together. Dance. They dance together. Study. I study English. Study. I study English. Learn. We learn new words. Learn. We learn new words. Like. I like bananas. Like. I like bananas. Love. She loves her dog. Love. She loves her dog. Hate. He hates spiders. Hate. He hates spiders. Open. Open the window, please. Open. Open the window, please. Close. Close the door. Close. Close the door. Sit. I sit on the chair. Sit. I sit on the chair. Stand. Stand up, please. Stand. Stand up, please. Cook. She cooks dinner. Cook. She cooks dinner. Clean. I clean my room. Clean. I clean my room. Wash. Wash your hands. Wash. Wash your hands. Buy. They buy some milk. Buy. They buy some milk. Sell. He sells apples. Sell. He sells apples. Make. I make a cake. Make. I make a cake. Build. We build a house. Build. We build a house. Draw. I draw a cat. Draw. I draw a cat. Paint. She paints a picture. Paint. She paints a picture. Help. Help your friend. Help. Help your friend. Need. I need a pen. Need. I need a pen. Want. We want some juice. Want. We want some juice. Have. I have 2 dogs. Have. I have 2 dogs. Be. He is a student. Be. He is a student. Do. I do my homework. Do. I do my homework. Can. I can swim. Can. I can swim. Live. They live in London. Live. They live in London. Call. Call me later. Call. Call me later. Talk. We talk on the phone. Talk. We talk on the phone. Eat. I eat an apple. Eat. I eat an apple. Drink. She drinks water. Drink. She drinks water. Go. We go to school. Go. We go to school. Come. He comes home at 5. Come. He comes home at 5. Run. They run every morning. Run. They run every morning. Walk. I walk to the park. Walk. I walk to the park.
Hi, Tom.
Hi, Anna. How are you today?
I'm great, thanks. I just finished my homework.
That's good. I usually do mine in the evening.
What do you do after school?
I go home, eat a snack, and then play football.
Sounds fun. I like to read or draw.
Do you watch TV?
Yes, I watch cartoons with my brother.
Cool. Let's meet at the park later.
Sure, I'll walk there at 4 p.m.
See you there.